ever pondered what might occur if our sun, the very source of life, were to die out? Let's delve into the cosmic timeline and see what the future holds. Life as we know it is deeply intertwined with the life cycle of our sun. This fiery ball of gas is estimated to have a lifespan of around 10 billion years, and it's already halfway through its life expectancy. In about 5 billion years, our sun will enter what scientists call the red giant branch phase. This is when things get really interesting, or rather alarming. During this phase, the sun will expand, becoming so large that it may very well engulf our home planet, Earth. Now, this might seem like a distant future concern, but it's a cosmic certainty that's fascinating to contemplate. So what does this impending doom mean for us and our solar system? The death of our sun isn't going to be a sudden event, but a slow, gradual process. It's a fascinating journey that's driven by the laws of physics and the nature of stellar evolution. The sun, like other stars, is a massive nuclear fusion engine. It's been happily converting hydrogen into helium for about 4.5 billion years now, but nothing lasts forever, not even stars. As the sun exhausts its hydrogen fuel, the core contracts and heats up, igniting a shell of hydrogen around it, causing the outer layers of the sun to expand. This is when our sun will enter its red giant phase, becoming hundreds of times larger and thousands of times brighter. But that's not the end of the story. After the sun has burnt through its hydrogen, it will start fusing helium into carbon and oxygen. This process will cause the sun to shed its outer layers into space, creating a beautiful planetary nebula. What's left is the hot, dense core, or what we call a white dwarf. This white dwarf will be roughly the size of Earth, but immensely more dense. Over billions of years, the white dwarf will cool and fade, its once brilliant light slowly dimming until it's nothing more than a cold, dark, stellar remnant. Contrary to popular belief, the sun's death won't be a spectacular explosion, but a quiet fade into obscurity. So, to recap the main points about the sun's lifespan and death, our sun is halfway through its estimated 10 billion year lifespan. In about 5 billion years, it will transform into a red giant, potentially swallowing Earth in the process. After this fiery phase, it will shed its outer layers, morphing into a white dwarf. This celestial body will then slowly fade away over billions of years. While the death of the sun is billions of years away, understanding the process gives us a unique perspective on our place in the universe and the fleeting nature of existence.